Hello! As you probably already know, we are a couple from Bulgaria which travels the world by staying in a different city every month, for now only half of the year. This month we are in the beautiful city of Santa Cruz de Tenerife. We are also very excited to get to know the whole island better and are planning multiple day trips. So make sure you subscribe to not miss any of this adventure. But for now, let us show you around Santa Cruz. Before exploring the city center, let's take a look at the port. We are here for 2 weeks now, and every day there is a new cruise ship arriving. And this is one of the ferries which travel between the Canary Islands. We are now at the city center. It becomes even more lively in the evenings. We will make a separate video about that and the Christmas spirit. Now, let's head to the auditorium. On our way, we will grab something to eat from the main market. One of the reasons to come to one of the Canary Islands is the beautiful weather. The average high in December is 22 degrees Celsius and the average low is 17 degrees. And we have chosen Santa Cruz de Tenerife because it feels much more authentic than the resorts of the south. We really want to see and to show you the interior of this magnificent building, so we decided to go to a concert. We came early to have more time to look around. We heard that the Tenerife Symphony Orchestra is one of the best in Spain. The concert is about to start, so see you in a second.
It was amazing.
Okay, we are back from the future. Next to the auditorium is a water park with salt water. It looks very nice for a restful day. Let's finish our tour of Santa Cruz visiting the nearby botanical gardens. It's hard to imagine that this paradise was once a landfill. The volcanic rocks which surrounds the city are really beautiful. I was very excited to share with you that we can see Africa from here, but after some thinking, this should be Gran Canaria. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Well, only if you are a subscriber.